Hello everyone, I'm John Jr. and welcome to my YouTube channel, Reefing It Simple, where we like to reef the simple way. I'm not sitting in front of my reef tank right now because my wife is sleeping right now and I don't want to disturb her or anything like that. You know, when I'm making my video for YouTube, I would like to go over some of these misconceptions about what it may take to keep a saltwater aquarium. Some people may ask the question of, is it difficult to keep a saltwater aquarium? The saying of keeping a saltwater aquarium is difficult, in my opinion, that's a misconception. Keeping a saltwater aquarium can be difficult if you make it difficult. But if you keep it simple, you're going to be miles and miles ahead of anyone else. Go slow, because the tortoise always wins the race. The main thing is that you want to set up something that you're going to enjoy and something that you are committed to taking care of. Don't buy equipment that is too complex for you to operate or to maintain. Don't be overly dependent on high-tech equipment, okay? And over time, if you want to add high-tech equipment onto your tank, learn the basics first. Be able to see if there's something wrong with a coral or a fish. You can be able to look at it and tell something's wrong with it without any type of computer or algorithm or whatever, you know, to make that decision for you, because computers fail. Technology is not going to make you a better reefer. Because technology is a wonderful servant, but it is a horrible master. Understand how your equipment works. Understand how a protein skimmer works. Understand why you would need a protein skimmer and when you need one. Don't go out and buy it because somebody says, oh, you need a protein skimmer. When you first set up a reef tank, you're not going to have a bio load in your reef tank. You got to build it up. You really will not need a protein skimmer. Let that tank build up a bio load first. Then you can look at a protein skimmer. And don't get one that's too big. In fact, it's probably better to go with a smaller skimmer than go with one that's too large. Not knowing what to do in case your equipment fails is definitely a recipe for disaster. Like I said before, watch your tank. Don't chase numbers. If your aquarium is at 7.8 and it stays there, okay, that's fine. You know, don't try to chase, you know, what they say, don't try to chase the dragon. You know, you chase numbers, you know, it's going to mess you up and it's going to stress you out, and then it's going to make you want to leave the hobby. So don't chase numbers, okay? Reef tanks thrive off of stability, and that's what they like. They like stability. So keep it stable. Don't chase numbers. And another thing is, don't listen to misinformation. Do your research. Ask questions, and also get your information from reliable sources, like books written by Julian Strong, or look at BRS TV, or look at Reef Bum. You know, those are very reliable sources. Tidal Gardens, Reef Therapy, I believe it's called. Those are very good, reliable sources that I go to, you know, to get information and everything, because they've been in the hobby for many, many, many years. We're talking like 20 plus years. And shout out to BRS and such too, because, you know, they do investigations and everything, like on salts, protein skimmers, how to tune a protein skimmer, you know, and they even have the 52 weeks of reefing, you know, to show you how to set up a reef tank from start to finish. And also, don't be afraid to try something different. Don't be afraid to take risks. If you don't take risks, you never learn anything new. Keep it simple and you will do just fine.